What is up guys, Stanley this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase games from Steam using gift cards. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Steam, or you can just type in store.steampower.com, and then you will be redirected to the official website of Steam, wherein on the right side at the top you will see the option of login. Click on that, and if you are new to Steam, just simply sign up with your email and password to create your new Steam account. But if you already have a Steam account, just log in with that account and then you will be automatically logged in or signed in to your Steam account. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the left side, you will see the option of install Steam. Click on that and install the Steam application. Now, after installing, this is what the dashboard of the Steam application will look like. Now from here on the left side, click on this game section, and after that, click on redeem a Steam wallet code. And when you click on this, here you can enter your gift card code or your wallet code. And when you are done, just simply click on continue, and then the Steam will add the funds that were on your gift card, like the gift card code that you have written. Whatever funds will be in the gift card, that will be added to your Steam's wallet balance. And from adding that, when the balance has been added to your Steam wallet, you can then purchase a game by going at your store and looking for multiple games that you want to purchase. And then this is how you can purchase games on Steams by using your gift card. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.